Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. My house is extremely messy today. So we have got tons of cleaning to do throughout the whole house, and this cleaning is probably going to take most of the day because it's already almost 11 o'clock. I'm getting a really late start to this video because I had to edit a whole different video this morning before I could start cleaning. Before I show you the mess, I want to explain why the house is such a mess. It's because today is Wednesday, and since the beginning of this week, it has just been a super busy week with work. And also yesterday I worked all day long and then we had to leave in the afternoon. We didn't get home until late that night. So just a little explanation of why the house is looking so crazy. Okay, as per usual, we'll start here in the laundry room. So I've got 2 loads of laundry that I have to fold, and then I also need to start some laundry. This laundry room needs cleaned up and it's really bad here in the kitchen. Lots of stuff on the countertop, dishes to clean. And this side of the kitchen is pretty messy as well. We got lots of toys on the floor over here in the living room. The boys were playing to keep occupied while I was editing this morning, like I said. We got toys over here as well, and a banana peel apparently. And over here we got our shoes and my diaper bags. Like I said, we were gone last night. Some boxes that I need to unbox and throw away. Over here it's not too bad, just pillows off the couch and toys. The boys were jumping on the pillows this morning. And now we'll head back the hallway to the bedrooms and bathrooms. So the master bedroom's looking pretty bad, just a warning. Owen dragged the stuff in here on the floor, but then the rest of the room is just a ton of clothes and the bed's not made. I couldn't decide what to wear last night, and yeah. The hall bathroom needs cleaned. Owen's bedroom isn't too bad over here, just toys on the floor and stuff and clothes and things. Not too terrible bad. Before we get started with today's video, I wanted to show you guys the t-shirt that I'm going to be wearing today. And this t-shirt was custom made for me by my sister-in-law, and she owns an Etsy shop called Celebrity. I'll have her Etsy shop linked down below. So on the front, the t-shirt says Hannah's Happy Home, and I'll show you what's on the back. So here's what the back of the t-shirt looks like. I really love how it turned out. She did an amazing job on the t-shirt, and I love the material of this t-shirt. It is so soft. And she also made me and Kyle matching t-shirts too, which is really cute. So this one says Farmer's Wife, and then the one for Kyle says Farmer's Little Man, and it's got a tractor on it. How cute is that? It turned out so cute. So I'll tell you real quickly a little bit about her Etsy shop. She carries all sizes for infant, toddler, adults, and she also carries pet apparel as well for dogs and cats. She does matching shirts too, so you could have matching shirts for your whole family. You could also have a matching shirt for your dog or your cat, which is so neat. So every design that she makes is crafted and cut by her, so you have the option to personalize the garment however you want. And her VIP club members can get a lifetime 20% off coupon code to use whenever you want. So I will have the link down below for you to access the club and get your 20% off coupon. I'll have her Etsy shop linked down below. Definitely go and check it out. Also head over and follow her on Instagram. I will have her Instagram name come up here on the screen, and I'll also have her Instagram link down below. Okay, so now we need to get started cleaning this house because this mess is driving me crazy. So I started off the cleaning in Owen's bedroom because he needed to go down for a nap, so I needed to get this bedroom cleaned up before I put him down so that I could film the rest of the cleaning in the house while he was napping. It made it a lot easier, and he actually slept for most of the cleaning today. Once I had Owen asleep, I worked on getting the rest of the house clean, and the next room that I worked on was the kitchen here. It was pretty messy in here, so there was a lot of cleaning to do, and if my voice sounds a little bit different, it's because I've got a bit of a cold right now, so I'm not sure how much of a voiceover I'm going to be able to do in this video, but I will try to talk as much as I can throughout the video. I always like to use a multi-surface spray on my countertops before I wipe them down, and today I'm using Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray from the Grove Collaborative website, and you can get all of these items shown here for free from Grove Collaborative with your first order of $20 or more. This will be going on for the whole month of February. I will have the link down below. You will get the Ultra Soft Bath Tissue, the paper towels, the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, Miss Meyer's dish soap, and Miss Meyer's hand soap in the scent of your choice. I chose rosemary. Once I had the kitchen cleaned up, I moved on to cleaning the master bathroom and bedroom, and I used that Method glass and surface cleaner to clean the bathroom countertop and the mirror. So after I got that mountain of laundry folded and put away, then I moved on to cleaning up the hall bathroom, and I wiped down the countertop and the mirror using that same Method spray, and then I took the sheets off of Kyle's bed and his duvet cover and put those into the washer. was working on cleaning up the living room areas, and it was just mainly a lot of toys and stuff. And I do want to clarify that my kids usually do pick up their own toys. Well, Owen can't pick up too much yet, but Kyle's 4, so he usually will pick up all of the toys. Sometimes I'll help him, but today, like I said, I was running late getting this video started, and so I just needed to clean by myself today. It was just going to make filming this video go a lot faster, so that's why Kyle wasn't helping me pick up these toys today. So that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration to clean your house, and that you were able to clean right along with me. If you enjoy my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, then please click that red subscribe button so that you can get notified every time that I upload a new video. Also, make sure that you click the bell beside the subscribe button to turn on your post notifications, and subscribing is completely free. Also, make sure that you head over and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home. I'll have it come up here on the screen. Sorry, I'm starting to run out of breath here from this cold. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!